Welcome to the fourth tutorial on Dedalus delay. In this tutorial, we will discuss modulators, one of the plugin's most powerful tools. With the modulators, we can add continuous variation to all plugin parameters. Modulators can be found in the section at the bottom. 8 independent modulators are available. Let's switch on the first one. As you can see, the default waveform is a sine wave. Let's lower the frequency. Now I grab the button of the first modulator and drag it to the parameter I want to modulate. Here it is. As you can see, the default percentage of variation is 25% of the parameter's range. The upper space shows the extremes of modulation. By changing the percentage, I can change the modulation range. Of course, I can change the modulation frequency. I can also switch to sync mode and set the frequency and rhythmic values. For example, make a cycle every measure. Or a cycle every 2 measure. I can also change the shape of the waveform. There are 8 preset waveforms available. In addition to the drawable shapes, we can assign a random generator to the modulator. The random generator is now in hold mode, but I can set the linear mode. This performs a linear interpolation between random values. The last random mode is curve, which connects random values with curves. We can also assign a step sequencer to the modulator. We can change the number of steps up to 64. Back to the sine wave. Let's now activate the second modulator. I will assign this modulator to the high-pass filter. Let us listen only to the wet signal to understand the effect of modulations better. I can also assign the same modulator to 2 or more different parameters. In this case, the delay time and filter frequency are synchronized. Now I will use the second modulator to vary the frequency of the first one. As you can see, now the first modulator accelerates and slows down following the values of the second modulator. Now I'm going back to using the second modulator for the filter as well. The filter is then varied by the same modulator that modulates the first modulator. It is also possible for a modulator to modulate itself. In this case, the modulator speeds up when it produces high values and slows down when it produces low values. And that's all for now. To see other uses of modulators, look at the presets walkthrough videos. See you next time.